Towering above all of Seoul, the Namsan Tower. But what actually is the Namsan Tower? How do we get there? And what is inside the tower? Today we're gonna find out. Hey, welcome back everyone to another Kokoro Compass video in Seoul. And it's been watching us every day, staring us in the face, the Namsan Tower. It's about time that we climb up the hill and check out what this tower is all about. I have to say, I've kind of grown fond of the Namsan Tower. Whenever I see the tower, I feel, I'm home. So yeah, I want to go greet it. I want to go say hi to my new friend. And Mariko is also coming along. The climb actually starts right outside of our house. We live right next to Namsan Tower. And there's a really steep road. Ooh. The adventure has already begun. So I think this round character, I think that's Namsan. I think that represents the Namsan Tower. He's everywhere in this area. He's really cute. My friend Namsan. At least I hope we can be friends. Let's see when we're at the top. So I think the Namsan Tower is kind of like the symbol of Seoul. And it makes sense because it's on quite a steep hill. And you can see it from almost anywhere in Seoul. It keeps saying Seoul Tower this way. But this place looks really nice. So we'll just go up here like the rebels that we are. We don't listen to the signs. Famous last words. After being in the city for so long, about 2 weeks now, it's nice to see some nature. Very refreshing. Although, yeah, there's still a highway right there. But I'm sure there will be some nice nature around this area. It's a mountain after all. And what do you know? Like 10 steps away, there's already a nice waterfall. How nice, how refreshing. I want to dive in, but looks a little bit shallow, so I think I'll skip. Alright, there's some sort of very small gate here. Let's see what this place is all about. I think there's a shrine. Looks really cool. I haven't actually seen any shrines yet. We went to the big palace, but no shrines. So this is going to be our first Korean shrine. How exciting. It's very steep though. Ooh, charming. Maybe there's nice view. Well, it certainly feels like I'm doing some sort of pilgrimage. Phew. This is tough work, but yeah, it's really cool. Unfortunately, there's a lot of signs that say no picture. So yeah, I want to stay respectful. I don't want to break the rules just to make good content. I'm a good boy, but it was still nice to see this place. So yeah, let's head back to the trail, see if we can make our way up to Namsan Tower, and hopefully we will see some other cool stuff. There's a lot of scary bugs down here though. I've seen some really big hornets, orange hornets. That's scary. And some sort of bug is bothering me right now. I know I'm a smelly foreigner, but please leave me alone. Okay, we're back on the road and someone is walking this whole road backwards. Maybe that's some sort of ritual. I hope it's not a requirement. When you reach the top, you have to go backwards. I don't think I have power for that. The road is going down again. We have to go up. Where can we go up? This is what we get if we don't do any research. Alright. We should have followed the signs, so we're turning around. I'll listen to the signs from now on. This way goes nowhere. Well, we're all the way back again. Here is the car road. So let's go back up again. Seoul Tower. This time we're following the signs. I really like these kind of long staircases or long roads leading up to something. Feels like you're going to the final boss. Final epic fight. I don't hope there's someone I actually have to fight. But yeah, it feels cool. Japanese cool down jutsu. There it is. Still looks very far. And there's an epic view of the city too from here. This little road is really cool. You can see Namsan Tower, there it is. And then you can see the city. That's nice. People online said this is a really easy hike. I've done some hiking. I'm not the most experienced hiker, but this ain't easy. The heat doesn't help. But there's a lot of steps. Whew. Whoa, from here you can see Seoul is really mountainous. It's really cool, all these mountains right in the city. You might have to climb one of the other mountains. A lot of these nuts keep falling all around us. This is dangerous. Climbing the Namsan Tower. Biggest danger? Nuts. And here's the first little, I don't know what you call this, it's called te in Japanese. I don't know, little shelter. First little Korean little shelter, traditional shelter. I really like these, they're so charming. You're gonna love these when it rains, trust me. Whenever I'm in Japan and it starts pouring down, I just find one of these to take shelter. Really cozy on a rainy day. Alright guys, this is it, the final stretch. I can see the Namsan Tower welcoming us with open arms. Alright, after that epic climb, we're here. Seoul Tower, Somnan Tower, it has a lot of names. And the view is really epic. You can see the whole city, and pretty much as far as you can see, there's only buildings. Seoul really is like a concrete jungle. And finally, we found him, Namsan-chan, my friend. He's been waiting for me here all this time. Every time I looked up to the Seoul Tower. I knew he was waiting here for me, welcoming me with open arms. And it's time we make our friendship official. And now it's finally time to see what's inside the Namsan Tower. Let's take a look. Whoa, this is cool. That was surprisingly nice. They really should advertise this a bit more. That projection was so nice. Yeah, so I was kind of hesitant to come up here, but it's well worth it. Super nice, and the view is nice as well. But that projection, that was something else. That was really nice. And apparently, Amsterdam is this way, almost 9,000 kilometers. Hi, Mom and Dad. Can you see me from here? Alright, and I think there's no better place to end the video than here at the top of the Namsan Tower with an amazing view of Seoul. I had a really nice day and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. We're gonna go explore more of Seoul, somewhere here or somewhere here, or even somewhere out Seoul. You never know. I want to see some more of Korea as well. So be sure to subscribe and like and leave a comment. You guys know I love comments. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye, guys. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a really nice day. I like these small little adventures, climbing up the mountain and coming across that small shrine. That was really charming, and we did get a little bit lost, but that's part of the adventure. And then the Seoul Tower itself, that was pretty nice. I didn't expect that because it looks a little bit old from afar, if I'm honest. But I'm glad I went inside. And I'm glad to see that the channel is growing as well. I can see in the analytics that there's a lot of new people coming every day, and you're not subscribing. So please subscribe and also leave a comment. I like talking to you guys. Anyways, I'll let you guys watch a little bit more of the projection since it was so cool. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.